Hello dear traders, you are watching InstaForex's TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. During our weekly link up, we're going to talk about the quotes dynamics of the main trading instruments and forecast their further movement with the help of our technical expert Petr Jakimovic. During the whole week, we observed the continuous fall of the popular currency pair Euro-US dollar. Petr, hello. Will the euro manage to win back its position in a short-term perspective?
Hello there traders. I'm expecting lower price on the euro-US dollar. The most recently, I found the ECB press conference and actually the volume spike and strong reaction from institutional money. In my opinion, since I saw the upward spike on the price and very strong reaction from sellers after the like 60-70 pips, euro went higher after that ECB press conference. The sellers actually came in, since we already got the bearish trend. They used this news, in my opinion, to mark up the price and later on to sell on that higher price. So my advice is actually to watch for selling opportunities in the next period. The first take profit level and the significant support is at the price of 1.0925. If the price breaks this level, which is also the Fibonacci expansion 61.8%, if the price breaks this level, USD may go to visit 1.0660, which is actually a Fibonacci expansion 100%. So, in my opinion, again, there is a strong bearish trend. There is this new spike in reaction from sellers. So, absolutely watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks.
The British pound found a nerve to stand against its competitor, the US dollar. However, the forthcoming Brexit can't but influence both market participants' behavior and the pound-dollar pair movement. So what trend should we expect this week?
I'm expecting the bearish British pound USD. I found, according to the 4-hour time frame, there is a head and shoulders formation and a broken neckline. The background, also the strong resistance near the 1.2330. Actually, the price rejected from that area. That is also the highest volume area on the futures market on the same symbol. So the sellers came in, the smart money, in my opinion, basically started to sell, is to resell basically, since the trend is downward. And we may expect potential testing of 1.2135, which is first take profit level, first downward take profit level. And second take profit level is set at 1.2090. Also, the price respected 50 simple moving average according to the 4-hour time frame. And again, strong reaction from the background, from the strong resistance. Sellers came in, trend is bearish, Brexit is active fundamentally. So, absolutely on the near short term, watch for selling opportunities on the pullbacks on this currency pair.
Recently, the Japanese yen has been showing strength against the US dollar. What recommendations can you give for those who trade this pair?
I'm expecting bullish price on the USD Japanese yen. I found the high volume level, actually the high volume zone near the 103.40, 102.75. So this area, and I found a successful tests in a low volume and rejection from this high volume, the highest volume basically zone. The trend, the near short term trend is actually bullish on the Japanese yen. So we have a potential absorption volume there on the 4-hour time frame. The trend is bullish on the near short-term perspective, and my advice is to watch for buying opportunities on the dips. The first take profit and the strong, the significant resistance level according to a daily time frame is set at the price of 106.75. So again, watch for buying opportunities with a target 106.75.
Commodity currencies are worth discussing as well. The Australian dollar looks very confident against its rival. What should we expect from the Australian versus the US dollar pair in a short-term perspective?
Australian dollar, in my opinion, Australian US dollar actually changed behavior from bearish to bullish in the recent price action in the past few days, right? So I found basically that the price broke the strong downward channel according to the 4-hour time frame, and the price actually did successful retest of that channel, and the buyers came in. So in my opinion, there is a group of institutions there which actually started to buy the Australian US dollar, and my advice is also for you to try to buy this currency pair on the dips. The strong support level actually provided a good entry level near the 0.7650, which is actually previous swing high according to 4-hour time frame, which right now acting like that was the resistance, and now this level of 0.7650 acting like support, and the price rejected from this level. Again, watch for buying opportunities, and the first target and also the significant resistance level is set at 0.7830.
Peter, thanks a lot for your trading recommendations. You've watched InstaForex TV Link Up with me, Anna Kasatkina, and InstaForex expert Peter Yakimovic. We wish you successful trades and see you next week.